This is a major warning to all Bitcoin traders because right now we are being set up for a trap that is about to wreck millions. We have recently seen Bitcoin get a major move to the upside from the long setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord right up to the short setup that we took live in the Casper Crew VIP live stream last week. We're currently consolidating right now in what appears to be an ascending triangle pattern. Now, this is setting up millions of traders to get absolutely wrecked, and we're going to be talking about exactly how I plan to trade this in the coming days and weeks. So make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are well on our way to 200,000 subscribers, and we are telling you what is going to happen before it happens. Opening up a $500,000 Bitcoin long trade, expecting new highs when we are at the lows, warning you the day before the ETF that I was looking to take the short trade from $48,600. Make sure that you do not miss out on these updates, guys, and subscribe right now. Bitcoin is right now consolidating in what appears to be an ascending triangle pattern. Now, some people are looking at this as an ascending triangle pattern, which is going to break to the upside. Other people are looking at this as a bull flag that's going to break to the downside. One thing that we can be absolutely certain on right here is that this is a recipe for traders to get absolutely wrecked. Why is this? Well, whenever the Bitcoin price gets a big move, either to the upside or to the downside, and then begins to consolidate, what we do is we build up liquidity on both sides. What does that mean? That means people who are short have their stop losses above this high. People who are short have their stop losses above this high. They have their stop losses above these highs. And people who are long have their stop losses below this, below this, below this, and below all these higher lows. Why is this a recipe for getting trapped? Well, the market makers need liquidity in order to fill up big positions. And so if I was a bigger player and I wanted to fill up a big long position, I would need a lot of people selling in order for me to buy a big amount of Bitcoin. And when stop losses get hit in the order book, that is a sell position that frees up Bitcoin to then be purchased by the bigger players. This is why so often when we see patterns like this forming, we get a move basically to one direction, and it's just a big fake out to the other direction. Contrarily, we could also see this happen to the upside, where the Bitcoin price starts to break out of this key pattern and then reject, and we see a lot of big players start to short the price of Bitcoin. A key example of this was over the weekend when we were watching as this symmetrical triangle pattern was forming on Bitcoin, and we were seeing bullish signs on market Cipher B in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, basically saying, look, the oscillator looks bullish. This is a triangle pattern. Let's expect a fake out to the downside before a real pump to the upside. And that's literally exactly what happened, because you can see these traps being laid. Now, shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord taking the juicy long trade. So how am I planning to trade this right now? Well, as I look at the oscillator, market Cipher B, one thing really stands out to me. Throughout the entirety of this range, we are seeing the money flow getting higher over time, and we are also seeing those momentum waves getting higher over time. This is the 1 hour chart. We have 5 big Ben Armstrong green dots on market Cipher B, and also the money flow is getting higher over time, giving us the extremely juicy looking uneven butt cheek pattern, where we have a big juicy left butt cheek followed by a skinny right butt cheek. We can go ahead and just kind of put this on market Cipher B and see that, yes, the gluteus maximus lines up absolutely perfectly. Now, this is bullish on the oscillator. So if I was looking for a trade right now, understanding that things look like they want to get a move to the upside, but also that there's a lot of liquidity to the downside for bigger players to stop hunt everybody, I would look for a move down and then a reclaim of this key low with continued uneven butt cheek pattern on market Cipher B to potentially get into a long trade, a fake out of the bear flag, and then a move up to $44,000 and then $46,000. Now, this is one trading plan that I have amongst many trading plans that we are looking at in the Casper Crew. Now, why is this such a juicy opportunity in my opinion? Well, it's because it would allow us to stop out a lot of people who are already long looking for a retracement, and then it would actually allow us to get a nice retracement to at least that $46,000 level, which is our very important area of resistance. Right now, after Bitcoin has rejected from $48,600, which is the macro Fibonacci golden pocket from the bull market top to the bear market bottom, we can see that if we get a move back down to these lows, this is now going to be our major area of resistance, and $46,000 is a make it or break it level for Bitcoin. In other words, if we are going to continue making higher lows in this larger channel right here and continue in an uptrend for Bitcoin, then this is the place where we want to get into a long trade, and this is the place where we want to start taking profits, because if we are going to see more of a correction to the downside, this is going to be our first lower high in the downtrend. But if we are going to continue to the upside, well, this is an excellent take profit one because it basically allows us to break out of this range, hit our major target, and then we can make a profit and then hold for higher prices. So this is one of the things that I am looking for. We need to be aware that the bigger players in the market are always looking to trap the retail traders. They are understanding that people are looking at these patterns, waiting to trade the breakouts or the breakdowns. And so if we get a breakdown of this bear flag, we need to be watching our oscillator to see, are we printing bullish divergences? And that is going to give us an opportunity to get into a potential juicy long trade. And by the way, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give the juicy setups like the short into the long, into the short trade, catching these tops and bottoms, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the VIP Discord. Inside is a complete beginner's course, as well as access to our 3 instructors, giving their trade setups, live streaming 3 times a day, showing you what they are doing. Also, if you want to fast track your education, we have many resources here. The White Phoenix Smart Money Approach to Trading, one of the most comprehensive trading courses, period, right now. My Intro to Crypto Trading program, and an advanced footprint chart, market profile, and TPO course right here. Also, guys, I'm currently trading on ZOOMEX and MEXC, as well as BingX. Links in the pinned comment and description if you want to trade crypto, Bitcoin, altcoins, stocks, Forex, indices on BingX. That is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. You do not want to miss these juicy updates. May you all be blessed in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are very, very blessed as you embark on your life journey. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.